welcome back, guys. I don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe, here to share with you my brown stew fish. So here I have 3 nice snappers, and I'm just gonna go in and season these with some onion powder and garlic powder. I have a mix in here, some Maggi fish seasoning, some black pepper, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. So first you want to scrape your fish, clean them and dry them. Ensure that your fish are that they are dry properly. So I just gonna give this a little slice at the 2 sides like so. Just put a little bit of wedge at the 2 sides like that, so we can get some seasoning inside. And guys, I have my oil on the stove. So you just want to get your oil nice and hot before you put your fish. And in my oil I have 2 cloves of garlic. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to get the seasoning all over the fish on both sides and also on the inside as well. This is a nice lovely one for this Christmas season. Nice brown stew fish with some rice and peas. Gungo rice and peas I prefer with brown stew fish, but feel free to have whatever rice and beans you like. Okay, so I'm just gonna massage this. Get some in that wedge that we placed on the fish, like that. And turn them over. So that's the oil in the background that you hear, guys. I'm just warming up the oil, and you just want to just get some of that nice fish seasoning and your other seasoning on the inside. So we're just gonna go in. Lovely. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna put this in our oil and we're gonna fry these, okay? Okay, my people, so here I have some oil on the stove. My oil is now hot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in and we're gonna fry our fish. Okay, in the oil I have 2 cloves of garlic. So we're just gonna brown these on both sides. Okay, my people, so we turn over our fish and I add the other one to the oil as well. So they're almost ready to be removed from the oil. So in the meantime, let's go and prepare our other seasoning for our fish, okay? So my people, here I have some onion. I have 1 white onion. I have about 2 stalks of green onion. I have 1 carrot. In here I have some okra that I already cut up. I have some garlic stem. I have 1 garlic stem, some minced garlic. I have some red bell peppers and yellow bell peppers. I have 1 hot pepper and 2 small tomatoes. So that's what I will be adding to our brown stew fish. And of course we're gonna add a little bit of ketchup and browning and brown sugar and top it up with some more seasoning and so forth. So let's finish up our seasoning. This is gonna be a nice one, guys. Okay, so we finished up our seasoning. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put on a small Dutch pot to brown stew the fish in. Okay, so here I have my Dutch pot on the stove, And I'm going to add like a tablespoon of butter. And then to this, we're going to saute our seasoning. And I didn't cut the pepper. All I'm doing, I'm just gonna burst the pepper in the pot. You can dice it up if you want. So I just gonna saute this for like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add some water to this and the rest of our seasoning. Okay, so in here I have like a tablespoon of brown sugar. I have half tablespoon of my mixed garlic and onion powder. I have half tablespoon of my fish Maggi seasoning, half tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, and half tablespoon of paprika. I'm just gonna add this now to our pot. I'll be adding a little bit of browning. Okay guys, so I'm adding all the seasoning. I'm just going to add our water. So I have 2 cups of water actually. I'll be adding my carrots. Combine that. Let's take out our other fish, guys. The oil is ready and looking lovely. That's our 3 fish. We're gonna add them later. So we're gonna add, let's go in with half teaspoon of browning first. Actually half tablespoon of browning. Let's see how that is looking. Actually I'm gonna go in with another half tablespoon of browning, so in total I'm using 1 tablespoon of browning. And we're gonna go in with some ketchup. And about 2 tablespoons of ketchup should do. Lovely. So now you can just taste this and see if you need anything else. Actually, it is tasting absolutely amazing. So now I'm going to add my fish, and I'm just going to add the fish on top, just like so, because these are already fried, so we don't need much steaming on these. So we're going to cover down our pot now, guys. We're just going to leave that for about 10 minutes to brown stew. And let's come back and see how our brown stew fish is doing. Let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe. If you're new to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscription button, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay my people, it is ready. It is looking absolutely amazing. Let's plate this up. What I did, I took off the cover of the pot. Like I did this, I think this took about 6 minutes, and I took off the cover of the pot in about 4 minutes and allowed the gravy to go down a little bit. So you can do that as well. I like my gravy nice. So let's plate this up, guys. I'm excited. It is looking absolutely amazing. So what I did, I used a spatula to get my fish on the plate because I didn't want them to break. So this is my plating. I'm not done with it yet, but it's looking amazing, right guys? Yes, let me know what you think. And I'm happy to share this wonderful brown stew fish with you guys. Hope you do enjoy this Christmas season, this holiday season. Best wishes coming to you from me and my family, to you and yours. Have a happy holiday. Until next time, stay safe.